Start the next part of EVS lesson number 1. Now look at the book. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid, and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Do you understand this? There are similarities between goat and kid. That means some animals are similar with their kids. But in some animals like butterfly, if we see the butterfly is totally different from the caterpillar. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal and looks very different from the young one. The change of form is called metamorphosis. That means if the animals and its kids are totally different from each other, the change is called as metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in the butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live in their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The adult stage is called butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how growth of a butterfly takes place. Now look here. Eggs that is called as larva. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on a milkweed, that is rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Do you understand this? This is a very small egg. It is on the rui leaf. Then from this egg, larva comes out and it is called as caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. That means from a small egg, larva comes out, caterpillar comes out. At that time, it is very hungry and it starts nibble the leaf very rapidly, and thus it grows very fast. Its growth is very rapid. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. This is the caterpillar. Mold. To shed old skin to make way for new growth. What is the meaning of mold? That means the old skin, they throw out the old skin and make the way for new growth. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed. Under the old skin, there is new skin which is loose, growing on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is, it molds. That is, it molds. What is meant by mold? To shed old skin, that is, throw out the old skin and make way for the new growth. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. Thus, caterpillar grows very rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molds a second time. In this way, it molds 4 times. How many times? 4 times. It molds again and again 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. It remains till 10 to 12 days in the stage of caterpillar. Just before the last mold, the caterpillar waves a button of silken thread. This is the button of silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. It hangs to the leaf like this. When it molds, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is called as chrysalis. The pupa of a butterfly is called chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in the body. The growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through these stages of growth, and thus we get the 4-winged butterfly. For each type of butterfly, the type of plant on whose leaves is female will lay egg is fixed. The time the larvae take to emerge from the egg is different from different types of butterflies. There is a great variety in the caterpillar. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. After we have cleaned the grain, we store it in a box. Even then, when we open the box, after some days, we may see some insects in it. There can be insects in the grain stored in places like warehouses, in the grocery shop, or even in our homes. Now, if a female insect lays eggs in this grain, we cannot see them because of their tiny size. The warmth of air they get in the box in which the grain is stored is enough for them to grow. So, their growth continues inside the box. They also have the same stages of growth, namely egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Then, when we open the box, we see the insects in the grain at the different stages of growth in which they are. Now, what we have learned, a hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshells and comes out. Eggs, caterpillar, that is larva, chrysalis, that is pupa, and the adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the milkweed plant. The larva emerges from the eggs. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters to the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings.